just walked into the main hall. It's a luminous colour this morning, very interesting. This is one of the ice suites with a rather starey woman's eyes above the bed. Little dog sculpture, naked lady sculpture, and a sort of peeping Tom sculpture, and a window. This is a view background to the lady, and then a sort of heart at the end of the room. This strange one is like a fruit being born out of an egg, very peculiar. Oh, and a fish. A frozen fish. Now he's rather splendid, I have to say. Spiny fish. And a bird out of ice. That was room 304, and yet she moved, is a call of it, by Jens Toms, Mats Nielsen and Javier Opazo and Ethan Friedman. Good mix of artists. This is the first time they've used this type of construction. It looks like an underground mine with great big slabs of ice either side, and then slabs across the roof as well. This is the Ice Hotel's ice bar. Quite difficult to make out, but it is pretty good. Some figures tangoing on the wall. Some seats on ice seats. It's quite late at night, so there's not that many people here. So there's a beautiful structure, lots of trees. I guess this is a secondary ice bar because it's really busy. Up some steps here. Ah, it's reception. And the door through there goes into the main hotel. It's locked at the moment. And great reindeer skins on the door and antlers for handles. It's quite fun.